Hi, it's Andrew from Caravanland Toyshop. Here I'm actually going to explain some hitches to you. Why do you need a hitch, you ask? Hitches are actually used to keep your van nice and secure in the driveway, caravan parks and storage. Hitch locks come in two different types, a DO35 and a 50mm bore. Today I'm actually going to demonstrate install of a DO35 to keep your van nice and secure. So here's your DO35 hitch, and I'm going to show you how to install that onto your hitch. Firstly, we need to actually rotate your DO35 hitch head. We need to unlock the actual hitch so the pin comes out. We're going to actually separate the two halves. Insert this bit in, make sure that it's nice and secure. Locate the locating pin, squeeze it together. Nice solid pin, goes all the way through. Lock goes in, you just got to find where it's locked and then lock it up. Put that dust cap on and also remember to remove your keys. Thank you everybody for watching. If you've got any further questions, please drop them below. Otherwise, just head into the toy shop. We're more than happy to answer your questions, and thank you again.